Hey boys and girls, we're going to get started and we're going to get warmed up first. So we're going to do our sounds and our words. Let's go. As I click, let's look. Tell me these sounds. Nice job. Let's do a few 3 in a row. You're going to look at them. Think 'em. Say 'em. All. Ch. Wah. Look at 'em. Think 'em. Say 'em. Ch. K. Sh. Look at 'em. Think 'em. Say 'em. K. All. Shh. Look at 'em. Think 'em. Say 'em. Ch. All. Nice job. Now let's get warmed up with our words. Here we go. Own. Want. Want. But. There. Please. Own. But. Ooh, 3 in a row. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. Please. Own. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. Want. Please, but. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Saw. Own, but. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. But. Please. Look at 'em. Whisper 'em. Read 'em. Own, but, want. Nice job getting all warmed up, boys and girls. Go to the next video for our lesson.